Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Gohar Bloch Advocate. Our today's video is about Federal Investigation Agency. What FIA investigate? The Federal Investigation Agency deals with multifaceted, serious and organized crimes like immigration, anti-human trafficking, anti-corruption, protection of intellectual property rights, cybercrime, money laundering, etc. And at the same time, it is a lead agency for investigation of important cases of terrorism and terrorist financing and is also the headquarters of Interpol Pakistan. Functional units of FIA includes Cybercrime Wing, Immigration Wing, Economic Crime Wing, Counter-Terrorism Wing, Anti-Corruption Wing, and NCB Interpol. Cybercrime Wing. Cybercrime Wing (CCW) is guided by laws under Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act 2016, which deals with the growing threats of cybercrimes. It is the only unit of its kind in Pakistan which directly receives complaints and take legal measures against cybercrimes. CCW has expertise in digital forensics, technical investigation, information system security audits, penetration, testing, and trainings. Categories of cybercrimes: cyber financial frauds, hacking, cyber harassment, cyberbullying, cyberstalking, child pornography, data theft, identity theft, intellectual property rights, denial of service attacks. Immigration Wing. The Immigration Directorate regulates the flow of international passengers and prevent instances of human smuggling, enforces Exit Control List (ECL), Provincial and National Identity List (PNIL), and Blacklist, and deals with the issuance of tourist and business visa on arrival through its 27 regulated entry or exit points, which includes 13 airports, 5 land routes, 4 seaports, and 2 railway stations. Economic Crime Wing. Economic Crime Wing deals with investigation of the offences related to financial crimes, money laundering, hundi, hawala, illegal money or value transfer services, financial intelligence reports, and fraud committed in relation with banking business, willful default matters, etc. Counter-Terrorism Wing. Counter-Terrorism Wing (CTW) is working hard to strengthen the internal as well as external national security environment of the country. Headed by the Deputy Director Forensic, supervise inquiries or investigations related to cyber terrorism, supervision of digital forensic laboratory, maintaining national criminal database, and compiling and publishing red books. Anti-Corruption Wing. Anti-Corruption Wing regulates investigation in organizational crimes, Capital Development Authority, NADRA, all federal organizations, theft of gas, electricity, and oil, etc. NCB Interpol. Interpol is the International Criminal Police Organization. Officers and judicial representatives from different countries cooperate on solving crimes, notably arrest and extradition procedures, identification techniques, and the idea of centralized criminal records. You can file complaint to FIA on the following link, and also there is a helpline 111345786. This is the link specifically for the cybercrime complaint. These links are also provided in the description. If you like this video, then share it with your friends and do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.